In this video, I'm going to help you decide which filter is best for your furnace. One of the most important maintenance items you could do to your furnace is change the air filter. Changing the filters regularly will save you money on your heating and air conditioning bills. If your furnace filter looks like this one, it's going to be very difficult for your furnace to heat your home. When buying a filter, you'll notice several different types to choose from. You'll have the economy grade to the more expensive ones that remove more dirt and air impurities than the cheaper ones. If you look through the light with one of the cheaper filters, you'll notice you can see through them. These are going to catch a lot less dust and pollen than one of the more expensive ones. However, they're going to let the most air flow through. When you look through one of the more expensive ones, you can see a lot less light showing through. One drawback to these filters is the amount of airflow they let through. Also, as they collect dust, they choke the air even more. This has a rippling effect. The less airflow, the longer it takes to heat or cool your home. This is a lot less important with newer furnaces. When you have an older furnace that may be struggling to heat your home, buying and installing a filter that collects more dust may not be a great idea. It will also cost you more money in the long run to heat or cool your home because the furnace will run longer. You'll notice on the package it says airflow guaranteed, but how much? It says to change the filters every 3 months. That's because they're going to clog up quicker and restrict airflow. Now, I'm not saying they're bad filters. I think they're great filters. They do what they say they're going to do. They do a great job. I have them in my home now, but I also have a newer furnace with stronger airflow. In a previous home that I owned, I tried these filters. However, my furnace was 20 years old and the filters restricted the airflow too much. When it got really cold out, the furnace seemed to run constantly, so I removed the filters and went back to the economy grade filters. One way to check for airflow is put your hand in front of one of the registers. See how much airflow is coming out. Install one of the better grade filters, then check the airflow again. If you don't notice much change in the airflow, then use them. It's probably not going to make much difference. Just change them more often, especially if you notice a lot of dust in your home. If you notice a drop in airflow, you may want to consider going to a lower grade filter. If you use the blue economy grade ones, change them more often. They're not very expensive, they're only $1 or $2, compared to the other ones which cost between $10 and $30. Whichever filter you do choose, make sure you change them regularly. It'll save you on your heating and air conditioning bills. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, visit me on Facebook. Until next time, thank you for watching.